In the early hours of July 30, 2020, a massive magnitude 8.8 earthquake struck beneath the sea off Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, the strongest quake in the region since 1952. The quake was shallow, about 19 kilometers deep, increasing its destructive power. Initial reports pegged it at magnitude 8.0 before it was revised upward to 8.8 by the US Geological Survey, Sakshi Post. In Russia's remote Severo-Kurilsk on the Kuril Islands, waves between 3 and 5 meters surged ashore, flooding the port town and damaging infrastructure like fish processing plants. Although injuries were reported, no fatalities occurred as a full evacuation saved lives. Officials declared a state of emergency, and residents had up to an hour to evacuate before the waves arrived. India, all clear, no tsunami. Threat despite conversations and concern, India was declared entirely safe. The Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, confirmed there was no tsunami threat to India or the Indian Ocean following this earthquake. Japan evacuations and early waves. The Japan Meteorological Agency issued tsunami warnings across the Pacific coast, urging up to nearly 2 million people to move to higher ground in more than 130 coastal towns. Actual wave heights reached mild levels, ranging from 30 centimeters to 1.3 meters, with the highest recorded at Ishinomaki port in Iwate Prefecture. Still, authorities stressed multiple waves might follow and urged residents to remain in safe zones until all alerts were lifted. Hawaii and US West Coast. On the edge, the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued alerts for Hawaii, Alaska, California, and other areas across the Pacific. In Honolulu, sirens sounded and highways clogged as office workers and residents scrambled to higher ground during rush hour. The seismic event awakened memories of the catastrophic 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which resulted in over 230,000 deaths. Floodwaters surged into India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and other coastlines with devastating force. Millions were displaced, fishing towns wiped out, and the world learned the importance of early warning systems. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was a pivotal moment in modern history, underscoring the deadly potential of earthquakes and tsunamis. While it brought immense suffering, it also prompted countries, including India, to invest heavily in disaster preparedness, early warning systems, and international cooperation. Today, those lessons continue to shape the way coastal regions worldwide respond to natural disasters, with India standing as a testament to resilience in the face of calamity. Stay safe, like, and subscribe.